Greetings everyone, my name is Benito Nayo Jr. I'm here to show you my unified photography. So the first one would be my flowers picture. Though this one is very appealing, and I like this one more than the rest because it has color. It shows it has like a smooth texture, and it has water on the flower. But I forget the exact settings for it, but I'll run by it. I'll run by it after the 4 photos. So the next one is the grass. Now in terms of just basic but good detail, this one I have to take it. I love the flower one, but I kind of like this one just because it has a lot of water on each of the grass, and it's not that doesn't have that many colors. It's not a lot of red, not a blue, just green with just water droplets. But this one I really like as well. And the next one is the hose. So I was thinking of what should I take a picture of, and I looked at my hose, and I thought this would be a good photo. So I took a picture of the hose. There's water droplets like right here, and then there's rain on the floor and the hose. And yes, throughout these photos it did rain, so I was lucky to take a picture of it. But the next one should be leaves, I believe. Yes. So I took a picture of a little tree that has leaves on the side of my house. So here's the main subject is basically the leaves of the tree, and as you can see, the grass and the dirt and the mud is is blurry, so it's not really gaining attention, just the leaves itself. But see here, it has some droplets and very texture. But overall, I mean, it was a pretty good photo I took. So, and then the settings is gonna be okay. The settings is for the grass photo would be ISO 400, shutter speed 1 in 100, aperture f14. And for the hose, leaves, and flower, it's the same as the grass, 400 for ISO, shutter speed 1 in 100, and aperture f14. And they all came out very well. So thank you for your attention, and have a nice day.